Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2019 Ford Kuga 1.5 EcoBoost ST line. This is a 150 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in shadow black. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights. You've got the front parking sensors, which is part of the park assist pack. Colour coded body styling kit. You've got the colour coded mirror covers with side repeaters, satin black roof rails, ST line wing badges. You've got the rear privacy glass, 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey Alcantara upholstery with leather side panels and the red stitching. Rear passenger area, so you've got room for 3 passengers in the rear of the car. Centre armrests with cup holders. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. You've got the 12-volt accessory plug-in point for the rear passengers. Near side rear alloy wheel. Rear parking sensors, again part of the park assist pack. So into the rear load area, you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, 12-volt accessory plug-in point, space saver spare wheel, retractable load cover, moving around to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel, so inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box. In there you've got the USB plug-in points. This car's done 29,535 miles. 6-speed gearbox. You've got the dual climate control, stop start deactivation switch. You can turn the parking sensors on and off, and you've got the control for the park assist. So with the park assist, it's just a matter of following the instructions when you press the button, and just using your indicator to find a parking spot. Then you've got the different options of like parallel park, perpendicular park. So basically it's just a matter of following the instructions and choosing your parking spot. Full screen navigation, AM, FM and DAB radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, CD player, controls on the steering wheel for the cruise control and speed limiter. The other side you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. Moving back outside the car again, Identification plate that tells it's a Ford Kuga ST line 1.5 EcoBoost, 150 PS. It's a Euro 6.2 engine, and this is the two-wheel drive version. Leather steering wheel with red stitching. Chrome ST line threshold plates. Moving back outside the car again. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your inquiry. Bye.